Guys, I'm Jasmeet, and in this video we are going to discuss how can you refuse the use of compromised passwords in WordPress. So here we are on the test website, and the plugin that we will be using to refuse the use of compromised passwords is the Solid Security plugin. We will be using the free version of this plugin, and you will find a link to it in the description box below. Now this is the plugin that I use on all of our websites. On certain websites I'm using the free version, on others I'm using the pro version. Now before we begin this tutorial, there is something that I want to share with you, and that is I have already installed and set up this plugin, right? So you can see the security option right here and the security option right here. This option is available because I have already installed and activated and also set up this plugin. Now during the setup process I did not select the option to enforce a strong password policy, and the reason behind this was I wanted to show you that through this tutorial. I wanted to show you how you can activate those options through this tutorial. Now keeping this in mind, let's dive into the tutorial. Now to refuse the use of compromised passwords in WordPress, what you will have to do is you will find this security option. Once you are done installing and setting up this plugin, what you will have to do is you will have to click it. On clicking the security option, you will come across the settings option below it, right? You will have to click this option as well. After this, it will take you to these global settings, right? And here you will see the user groups option on the side, right? Click this users group option and you will see it will show you all of the users group, right? Authors, administrators, contributors, editors, subscribers, and everybody else. So all of these will contain all of the same features. You just have to activate and deactivate the features. So what we will have to do is if we want authors to not use compromised passwords, what you will have to do is you have to go down, scroll down until you come across this password requirement option, and here you will see the options to refuse the use of compromised passwords. Just select this option, click this toggle, and save this. For administrators, the process is the same. Password requirements, select this and save. Contributors, go here and save. Same for the editors, select and save. Subscribers, select and save. Everybody else, select and save. Now before we check if this feature is working or not, there is a thing that I want to tell you, and that is we recommend that you activate the strong password features as well. I've already created a tutorial for it. It's a very simple tutorial. All you have to do is just select this option right here, right? So this will not allow any users to select weak passwords when registering on your WordPress website. Another thing, how Solid Security is basically tracking if you are using a compromised password or not. It is basically using the API from the ihavebeenpawned.com, right? Any of the rejected passwords that have appeared on this website that have been tracked by this websites will not be accepted on your website. Okay, now to check if you have successfully if this feature has been successfully applied across your site, what you can do is you will have to head over to users and click profile right here. In the next step, what you will have to do is you will have to scroll down till you come across this account management option. Below it you will find new password and the option to set a new password. You will have to click this option, select the secure password that has been generated by WordPress, delete it, and keep a weak password, which is admin. So admin is the default password that has been breached, and we all know about it. In the next step, what you will have to do is click confirm the use of weak password and click update profile. You can clearly see it gives us an error right here. This password appeared in the breach these many times, and please choose another password. Your profile has not been accepted. This shows that we have basically successfully applied this feature. We have successfully activated the refuse compromised passwords feature in WordPress. So this is the tutorial for you. Again, in case you have any queries regarding this tutorial, feel free to comment down below. The link to the Solid Security plugin is in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions. I will definitely try and help you out. Okay, so this is the quick tutorial for you.